Well, hello there, friends, and happy Valentine's Day. Now I'm going to be painting on my face. What I'm going to do for this face painting video is revamping my old puppy love face paint design that I did in a YouTube video years and years ago, which I'll put the link to that video in the description area of this video if you guys would like to go check that one out as well. Now the first thing that I've done is taken this light pink by Fab and some water and sprayed it on top of the paint, and now I'm going to take this high density sponge, which I love these blue high density sponges that I got from Silly Farm. Oh, they're great. And this is what I do for my puppy dog ears. I bring them up just slightly. I mean, I say just slightly, but I add just a little point to them. All right, but yeah, I'm just gonna add another ear up here, same way. Under, gotta make all the faces. Dab, 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 dab. All over. Got some good coverage right there. Yeah. Yeah, so I think I will add some pink above this eye, on my eyelid above here, just until I get to my brown eyeshadow. Yeah, I think that'll be good there. That's lots of pink. I could be a big oink. And now I'm gonna be using this berry wine color for the heart above my eye that I'm going to add here. Kind of like how dogs have little spots, you know? I'm gonna do one right up here, this side. Similar to my old video, added the heart around the eye there. And I called the design Puppy Love. Make it a nice full heart. All right, and then I take it down like this, and like this. And then I'll get under here as well. And there we go, my little dog spot, or at least the first one. Then I think we're gonna add some more doggy spots and then some details. I'm taking more of this berry wine color. That was kind of aggressive, like woo. All right, so I'm gonna take some more of this berry wine color and add some more little hearts and like some dots and stuff. And I think I'll add another heart down over here. See that? Little heart. Oh, look at all the dots. It's kind of crazy. I think that'll be it for all the spots. It looks kind of crazy right now, but hopefully it comes together very nicely. And what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some light pink and then add a bit of like detail, some highlighting up where this heart is. And then I'm gonna take that sponge with that same little pink color and just kind of blend the lines together a little bit so it's not so rough looking. Rough. Rough. I think this is coming together very well, very nicely. But like I said, I'm just gonna blend in that little outline highlight sort of deal that I did. I'm gonna take and dab the white right above my lip here. Oh, I think I need some more white. I look like Pink Panther right now. All right, and I'll put the tongue right here. All right, we're almost done. Can you believe it? All right, now what I'm gonna do for the nose is I'm gonna do a little heart-shaped nose here. All right, and then I'm gonna take a little and go boop. Maybe I'll do like this first. Yeah, and then the other side. Yeah. And then I can add the whiskers. 2 and 3. Yeah. It's always hard to make them about the same size. Then adding details to the tongue. Hey! Normally I wouldn't bring it out this wide, but it just happened that way. And then I'm just gonna take my finger and pat along the edges. Kind of adding some shading here to the tongue. Gives it a bit of dimension. This is so cute. And then we'll add little spots right here. And then I'm gonna add the little hair at the top. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. You can do any style of hair. I've seen people curl it in the front. You can do whatever style hair you want. And then I'm gonna take and make the ears. See the little ear there? Add a little line right here. And I think I might outline the heart just a little bit with some black. Just a little. Just so you can see where it is there. Just gotta add the ear to this side here. Gonna do the same thing like we did on the other side. And then do the little loop at the bottom for the bottom of the ear. Gonna swoop it up like we did over there. Whoop. Little line there to define the ear a bit more. Some little hairlines on this side too. This is so cute. Oh my. I think that's gonna be it. Yay! I'm a dog now. Woof woof. Or a puppy. I think that's gonna be it for this Valentine's Day themed Puppy Love remake or Puppy Love 2.0. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I truly enjoyed making it, and I hope you stay tuned for more. Bye!